Gutters pulling away because of heavy snow or ice can seriously mess up your whole roof and foundation if you don't handle it right. So, first off, you gotta keep those gutters clear by removing snow buildup as soon as you can. Use a roof rake or a broom to gently knock off the snow without damaging the gutters. Make sure your gutters have strong hangers that are spaced right, and maybe even add some extra reinforcement if you live in a snowy spot. Check for any loose or rusty hangers before winter hits so they don't give out under the weight. Installing gutter guards can help keep ice and debris from piling up too much. Also, make sure your downspouts aren't clogged so water flows freely when the snow melts. If you notice ice dams forming, you might want to use heat cables designed for gutters to keep the ice from building up. Finally, keep an eye on the gutters during and after storms to catch any problems early before they get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gutters and snow is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to gutters pulling away from the house under the heavy ice weight. Fixing this means checking hangers often and replacing weak ones. Another issue is not clearing out clogged downspouts, causing water to back up and freeze, so make sure to clean those out before winter comes. Lastly, skipping reinforcement on gutter hangers in snowy areas is common, but adding extra support can save you a lot of trouble down the road. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle gutter repairs and winterproofing. Contractors also get a steady flow of work by joining the platform, making it easier to grow their business and help more people keep their homes safe.